In this weekly analysis, we're looking at the DXY, the EURUSD, the GBPUSD USD, Australia USD, USDJPY, and gold. So we'll be starting with the dollar index. The dollar index, you can see from my weekly chart now, you can see that we still have a uptrend momentum on the dollar index. You can see that we have price retest a key support level on the weekly chart. So long price tests this key support level on the weekly chart, we expect price to continue to push higher for the dollar index. So this week we expect price to do a retest, then we'll see price pushing higher for the dollar index. So let's look at the daily chart of the dollar index. So on my daily chart, you can see that we see price close on this daily resistance on the dollar index. So there's every possibility of price will do a retest, then we'll see further push for the dollar index this week. So our direction for the dollar index still remain uptrend for this coming week. So the next pair we'll be looking at now, we're looking at the GBPUSD USD. GBPUSD USD on my weekly chart still remain downtrend on the weekly chart. So we expect price to continue to push lower for the GBPUSD USD. So long the price on the weekly chart still showing more sign of momentum for downtrend, we expect price to continue to push lower. So you can see from my weekly chart now, you see that price currently see around this resistance level. So long price around this resistance level on the weekly chart, we expect the GBPUSD USD to continue to push lower for this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the GBPUSD USD. On my daily chart, so we expect price to continue to push lower for the GBPUSD USD. Then you can see that we have a series of lower highs. So long we have a series of lower high, we expect price to continue to push lower because currently now the trend of the market is still on the downtrend on the daily chart and also on the weekly chart. So look for possible opportunity for you to continue to sell the GBPUSD USD. So let's look at the EURUSD. EURUSD on my weekly chart still remain on a downtrend. So EURUSD, we'll be expecting price to continue to drop on the EURUSD. You can see that we have a downtrend structure on the weekly chart, which is higher high, a lower high, a lower high, and then a lower high. So long we have this uptrend, this downtrend structure on the weekly chart, and price close on this weekly resistance level. So we expect the EURUSD to continue to push lower for this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the EURUSD. On my daily chart, you can see that we have a price action set up already. We have this rejection candlestick set up on the daily chart from a weekly resistance. So now we have these signal candles on the daily chart from the weekly resistance. So we expect price to continue to push lower for the EURUSD. So what we expect from the EURUSD now, we expect price to continue to push lower with our target at this the next weekly support level, which is this level. So we expect the EURUSD to continue to push lower this coming week. So look out for selling opportunity for EURUSD this coming week. So the next pair we'll be looking at now, we're looking at the Australia USD. Australia USD on my weekly chart still currently remain on a downtrend. So we expect Australia USD to continue to push lower on the weekly chart. You can see that price close on this weekly resistance level on the Australia USD. This level is a resistance level on the weekly chart. So long price close on this weekly resistance level. So we expect price to continue to push lower for the Australia USD. So let's look at the daily chart of the Australia USD. On my daily chart, you can see that we still have a downtrend structure on the Australia USD. So long we have the downtrend structure, we expect price to continue to push lower for the Australia USD. Then let's pick out our area of target where we expect the Australia USD to reach before we expect a reversal of price. So on the weekly chart, we expect the Australia USD to test this level. A break of this level, we see further continuation, but if price fail, we see a reversal of price back to the top side. So Australia USD on my daily chart still remain on the downside. So look out for selling opportunity for the Australia USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USDJPY. USDJPY on my weekly chart still remain uptrend. So you can see that price close on this resistance level on the price close on this support level on the weekly chart. So long price close on this support level on the weekly chart, which is a very strong support level, we expect price to continue to push higher, because you can see that price that tested this level last week. So long price tested this level last week, this strong resistance last week, and failed to close above it. Then price retest back to close on this weekly support. This shows that we expect the USDJPY to continue to push higher. You can see from a weekly chart, we can see that we have a lower low, then we also have a higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, this shows that we expect the price to continue to push higher for the USDJPY. So we expect price to move to this our next resistance level. So our first target will be this level, then the second target will be this area. So let's look at the daily chart of the USDJPY. You can see from my daily chart now, USDJPY is clearly a bullish trend on the daily chart. You can see that we have a lower low, then we have a higher low. So long we have this higher low now, we expect price to continue to push higher this coming week for the USDJPY, with our target on this weekly resistance level. So let's look at our next pair, which is gold. Gold on my weekly chart still showing a sign of a downtrend. You can see that on my weekly chart we have a higher high, we have a lower high, then we also have a lower high. So long we have this series of lower high and price fail. So long price fail to close above this weekly resistance, it shows that we are expecting gold to push lower this coming week. So and we expect our first target will be at this level for gold, then our second target will be at this level. So long we have this downtrend structure, which is you have a higher high, a lower high, a lower high. So we expect the gold to push lower this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the gold USD. On my daily chart, you can see that previously gold was have an inner structural movement, which is a lower low, a higher low, higher low, higher low. So long we have this inner structural movement, we expect gold USD to push lower, then do a retest, then we'll see further push lower for the gold USD. So a break of this level, we expect price to continue to push lower for the gold USD. So look for possible opportunity on gold USD to sell gold this coming week. Stop losing your hard-earned money. We created a trading strategy course, a video course that will help you to become profitable. You can click in the description below to click the link below for you to purchase your video course. This video course will be very helpful for both newbie and advanced trader. So if you have been having issue with your trading, like you're not making consistent profit, this trading strategy course is for you. So take advantage of it now. If you find this weekly analysis helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you in my next video.